Then problem resolved, then Gandhi became Rato Rat and everyone started, okay, Gandhi. I said, in this region I said that Bihar के चंपारण region में, in the district of Betia it is known as and West Champaran, and then Betia district बोला जाता है. और बेटी किसके होना चाहिए? अच्छे आदमी के यहाँ. Those who can, what is in a make their daughter as an award. कैसे हो? सीता की तरह. Yes, in our Ramayana, Sita was well brought up by the Janak. Yes. तो वाल्मीकि जैसे लोग होने चाहिए. क्या होने चाहिए? So which national park is there? In the Bihar, Champaran. In Bihar, yes, एक ही है. वो लोग मैंने पूरा खत्म कर रखा है. And it is happening since Vedic age. Yes. Later Vedic age में, early Vedic age में, we are in the northwest India. Later Vedic age, then the Aryans entered towards the what? Gangetic region. Understood? And from that onward, deforestation is there. और आज के डेट में the forest पता नहीं. Understood it? Along the Valli Sivalik hills, you can be able to see. Understood it? So, which are the national parks till now we have seen? Haryana 2, UP 1 and Bihar 1. Understood? Clear? And again I said that which are the first, धीरे से बोलना आप. हरियाणा में कौन कौन से? कालेसर, सुल्तानपुर, UP, दुधवा, and then Bihar, Valmiki. Understood it? And then just listen me carefully and you just move your lips. First in Jammu and Kashmir, Salim Ali and Dachigam. And in the Leh Ladakh, Hemis and then Kishtwar. And in the Himachal Pradesh, Great Himalayan, and beyond the Great Himalayan desert is there, Gold Desert Biosphere Reserve. And then Uttarakhand has 7, Gangotri and one Nanda Devi के पास. Gangotri will see, Govind Pashu Vihar, Gangotri and Govind. Nanda Devi, Valley of Flower, and then I said that Jim Corbett nearby Nainital. And then we have seen Raja Ji. And then Haryana, that what is the name? Kalesar and Sultanpur. And there is a Dudhwa, and there is an, I said that. चलिए आप देखते चले. I said that तुम ज्यादा नेशनल पार्क बना दोगे क्या? फॉरेस्ट भी तो होना चाहिए. So here it is in Salim Ali. In the Srinagar same we have seen Dachingam. And then in the Leh Ladakh we have seen that is in which? Hemis. And then Kishtwar. Thereafter I said that there is a Great Himalayan National Park. And then there is an, I said that Pin Valley, that is becoming Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. There is a Jim Corbett, you know that. There is an, I said Govind Pashu Vihar है यहाँ पे, Gangotri, and there is a Govind. Understood? There is a Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, and there is, I said that Valley of Flower, and this is, I said, Raja Ji. पंजाब में कुछ नहीं है, हरिके वेटलैंड है वल्ली. सुल्तानपुर नेशनल पार्क, and above it is, I said that Kaleshwar National Park. And in UP, what I said that Dudhwa National Park. And in Bihar, what you have seen? Valmiki National Park. In the बेटिया, बेटी कैसे होनी चाहिए? बेटी हो तो सीता, यहाँ पे सीतापुर है, बेतिया, मोतिहारी, and then सीतामढ़ी, sorry, सीतापुर बोल रहा हूँ. Understood? Understood? And the Ganga river, it is passing like this. तो यहाँ पर एक चीज मैं दिखाता हूँ. I said that on the Ganga river, that famous Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary. तो यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे. I said that famous one. I said that Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary. Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary. And Vikramshila is famous for, you know, that Vikramshila University, Nalanda University, huh? And Vikramshila is the reason in the Pala dynasty. In your ancient time, if you see that Pala dynasty, 800 to 1200 AD, there is a Vajrayana. Which one has grown? And which believes on, there is a Mahayana, Hinayana, Vajrayana, which believes on what? Tantrism. To getting the magic power is a kind of salvation. And this Vajrayana later on shifted after 1200 AD to Tibet. So all lamas are following what? Vajrayana. Understood? Shall I remove this? I said that this is, you know, that it is Nepal, and this is, I said that, Sikkim. And you must have seen it is what? Bihar, and here we have what? Jharkhand, and this side we have seen like what? West Bengal. Understood? And this is, I said, this is Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and this is Sikkim. Understood? So we are going to see in the Bihar, we have seen Valmiki National Park. Is it okay? Bihar mein which national park we have seen? Valmiki National Park. And in this is an Jharkhand. In the Jharkhand, this is a Ranchi Plateau, and the Ranchi Plateau, this side after that there is a leeward effect some, and Palamu district में यहाँ पे बहुत सारे मामू होते हैं. कौन होते हैं? Palamu में who is there? And मामू, what he call upon? Police are considered as an what? And वो बोलते हैं क्या ला? मारने के लिए क्या ला? बेंत ला. क्या ला? They used to bring what is an Assam. So here it is an I said this is Betla National Park, and there is an Hazaribagh Plateau. In this Hazaribagh Plateau there is a second one. I said that Hazaribagh National Park. Understood? So in the which are the two biosphere reserve in which two biosphere reserve in Jharkhand? Yes, बेतला. झाड़ी में से तोड़कर क्या लाया? बेत लाया. कौन से? हजारीबाग में से. Thereafter we are going to see in West Bengal where it is, and in West Bengal there is 5 national parks and 1 biosphere reserve. 5 national parks and most of them are, it is here. कभी आपने नाम सुना हो? जलपाईगुड़ी, सिलीगुड़ी. Have you heard about? In this region itself there is I said that 4 national park, and there is one Darjeeling district. There is one, and this is you know that Sundarban biosphere reserve. Which one I said that this is? And here I said that first, second, third, this is fourth, and here it is fifth. So I said that in West Bengal, I said Jaldapara. Which national park I said that? Which national park I said? Jaldapara. And then second I said Buxa. BUXA, Buxa. Third I said Goru Mara. Jaldapara, Buxa, Goru Mara, Neora Valley. And thereafter I said, yes, Singa Lila. So I said that Jaldapara, Buxa, Gorumara, Neora Valley, and which one I said that? Singa Lila National Park. So I said that जल है, देयर इज एन जल, एंड जल के अंदर क्या है? एक बॉक्स है. क्या है? जालदापरा बक्सा. एंड काऊ को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट इज नोन एज काऊ इन हिंदी? गऊ. और उस बक्से में क्या रखा हुआ है? गऊ मरा हुआ. सो व्हाट आई सेड, जालदापरा बक्सा. कैन यू मेक इन ए पिक्चर? एंड व्हाट इज देयर? गौ मरा हुआ. एंड हु हैज किल्ड? नर और नारी? हु हैज किल्ड? नर. हु हैज किल्ड? नेवरा वैली. सो विच आर द नेशनल पार्क वी हैव सीन? जलदपरा, बक्सा, एंड आई सेड गोरुमरा, एंड देन नेवरा वैली. कैन यू रिमेंबर? एंड ये बक्सा पूरा ऐसे है. व्हाट इज देयर? बक्सा इज लाइक दिस. यस. और चारों तरफ ट्राइबल, वो जो नर है, हु इज देयर? ट्राइबल. एंड दे आर डूइंग सिंगलीला, सिंगलीला. व्हाट दे आर डूइंग? कैन यू रिमेंबर? सो विच आर द नेशनल पार्क? जालदापरा, बक्सा, गोरुमारा, नेवरा वैली, and here we have what? Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. Sundarban. Okay. Understood it? Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. Thereafter I said, in Bihar, Valmiki, in Jharkhand, Betla and Hazaribagh, and in the West Bengal, Jaldapara, Buxa, Gorumara, Neora Valley, Singalila, and then Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. And then second highest peak of the world, and then which national park, which biosphere reserve? Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. Understood? In the Sikkim, which biosphere reserve I said that? Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. Clear? Before getting into Northeast, let's see what we have seen, which are the national park till. Picture दिमाग में चल रहा है. So I said that in the Jammu and Kashmir, Salim Ali, Dachigam, Hemis, Kishtwar, Great Himalayan, and then which one I said? Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Uttarakhand, जहाँ पे गंगोत्री, जैसे ही उत्तराखंड comes, गंगोत्री, and गंगोत्री गोविंद पशु विहार, गंगोत्री गोविंद. Then we have been able to see Nanda Devi, Valley of Flower, Jim Corbett, Rajaji, and then Punjab, no, Haryana, 2, Kaleshwar, Sultanpur, nearby Yamuna River, and then we have seen in the UP, बस यूपी वाले बोलते रहते दूधवा दे दो दूधवा. दूध को यूपी एंड बिहार में व्हाट द पीपल विल से, नाम को क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट्स योर नेम? चंदन, चंदनवा. सो दे विल से लाइक दिस. नहीं, सो लास्ट में वा या दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट पीपल. दे आर व्हाट इज देयर स्पोकन हिंदी इज सिमिलर टू द इंग्लिश. सो आई सेड कभी समझाऊंगा कैसे. सो अरे ग्रेट हिस्ट्री, मगध एम्पायर. Mauryan Empire. So I said that कहाँ पे थे हम? दुधवा. And in Bihar we have seen Valmiki. And नीचे आगे झारखंड में वहाँ के पुलिस वाले क्या बोल रहे हैं? Betla and Hazaribagh. And then West Bengal we have seen Jaldapara, Baksa, Gorumara, Neora Valley, Singalila. Understood? And Sundarban, Biosphere Reserve, and in the Sikkim, Kanchenjunga. Now let us go in the what is the northeast, and you know that in this region, जब आप रिवर्स भी करते हो, that time भी मैं बताता हूँ. This is in a Brahmaputra. Its name is Yarlang Sangpo. What is its name? इसका नाम the Brahmaputra river name is Yarlang Sangpo. When it entered into Arunachal Pradesh, its name become Dihang, and thereafter in Assam its name is, and then from the Dhubri it entered into what, and its name become Jamuna. What are the name I said? Yarlang Sangpo, Dihang, Brahmaputra, and then its name become in the what? West Bengal, Jamuna. Understood it?